nigga, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back to show you guys how I achieved this bun and bangs look on natural hair. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, continue watching. And if you are not already subscribed, subscribe to my channel, honey. So I'm gonna start off by parting her hair down the center, and I'm gonna just part out her bangs in like half moon shapes, as you can see. Once her bangs are parted out on each side, I'm then gonna go ahead and just clip them away so that I can work with the rest of her hair. So now I'm just gonna catch all her hair up in one. This is just a quick bun and bangs, quick, easy, and go. So I'm not gonna go through her whole entire head. I'm just gonna put it up all in one, and I'm gonna free spray everything around. So once her hair is catched up in one, I'm gonna go ahead, clip her ponytail part away, and I'm gonna go in with my free spray, and in sections I'm just gonna free spray it and slick it up. As you can see, when I comb, I go back in with the palm of my hands, and it just gives it a smoother look. It catches everything, it slicks down everything, guys. Trust me, this is the way to go. And then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and it just freezes everything. It holds everything in place. And I'm basically gonna do this all the way around until everything is completed. Also, make sure that when you're doing the back of your client's head, your friend's head, that you make sure their head stays in the upward position, so that when they do lift their head, you don't have a crease in the back. And please be sure you can't be doing this lightly. Like, you have to apply some pressure when you're trying to lay down their hair to make sure it's slick. You need to apply a bit of pressure in order for all the hairs to catch up and lay down properly. So once I've slicked up all her hair with the free spray, I'm gonna go ahead, take out the elastic band or the hair band, and I'm gonna go in with my edge booster. This is the styling wax, and this is just my preference. I'm gonna go around the head and just put it all over and comb it all through. To me, it just gives it a more sleek look. That's why I apply this. So once I comb it all through, I'm just gonna go ahead and catch her hair all back up in a ponytail. So now that her hair is back in a ponytail, I'm just gonna take the ends of her hair and I'm gonna just clip it away, go back in with my Got To Be Free spray one more time, and I'm just slicking her hair, making sure it's all together. And I'm gonna use my blow dryer just to dry everything up. Making sure her hair is nice and sleek. So once her hair is dry, I'm now going to do an invisible ponytail. That way I can turn her ponytail into a bun. So right now I'm just braiding her hair. And once I braid her hair to the end, I'm gonna use a black rubber band just to tie the end to secure the braid. Once that is done, I'm just gonna go in with her bundles. I used one bundle of hair to wrap around her braid. And this is basically the invisible ponytail method. So I'm just gonna take her bundle of hair and sew it onto her braid until I reach to the top. So now I'm just using my blow dryer and blowing out her bundles, or I should say bundle. And I'm just going in with some BioSilk and I'm gonna rub it all around in her hair, and I'm gonna just start flat ironing it. once your hair is flat ironed, I'm just going in with this 24-hour hold, and this just helps to tame all the little flyaways when I start to wrap her bun. So I'm just holding the middle and I'm just twirling her hair around. And once I get it to how I like, I just start taking bobby pins and pinning it all around just to hold the bun in place. So you can always wrap the bun how you prefer it to look, and once you see it the way you like it, all you do is take some bobby pins and start pinning your bun. That way it holds in the place that you like it. So now I'm just going in with her bangs. So she's gonna have one on each side of her face. So there's basically 2 bangs. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna flat iron her hair. And with this style of bangs, the same thing you do on one side is the same exact thing you're gonna do on the opposite side. We decided we wanted to add some volume in her bangs, so I am going to glue 2 pieces of hair on each side of her bang, just 2 small pieces. And as you can see, I'm not starting at the top where her part is. I'm gonna start a little bit behind, just so that when you comb down the hair, you don't see the track in the part. And I'm just gonna take my hair glue and just glue on her part. Make sure you have a clean part so you're not gluing her hair, you're just gluing it on her scalp. And I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer just so that the glue dries. And I'm gonna go ahead and part my second piece and do the same exact thing. So on the next side, I'm going to part where I see that I parted on the opposite side. I want my tracks to fall in the same place. So I'm going to make sure the same place I parted the opposite side, I'm going to part on this side. And now that my tracks are in, I'm just going to go in with my flat iron. And here I'm just laying down her little flyaways with my edge booster, just to blend all her hair in. And I'm going in with scissors and I'm just cutting a little bit of the ends of her bangs off. And now, as you can see, I'm using my wand just to give it a bit of curl, just because she didn't want her bangs straight, so we decided to put some curl in it. And now I'm just spreading the curl apart a bit, just to give it just a bit of life, some volume, so it doesn't look all stuck together. So I'm just going and spreading it apart a bit. And this is basically how the style looks. You can just go in and tweak it and play with it and just get it how you want. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys would like to see anything else, you guys can leave it in the comments below. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon.